try if you want. You can taste.
Maybe later. We can bring the wife over. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Michael, Love and Freedom. Hey, I'm on the stroll, headed back to the house when he got the boss lady a little chow. It's been raining over here most of the day, off and on. It's supposed to be a typhoon in the area, so it's going to be raining quite a bit. So we're going to probably just hang out at the house most of the day. Got invited tonight to go to listen to a live band, but I'm not sure if I want to go down on that beach with all that rain. We left out of there last night just in time because it came a nice little pour down. But I'm walking through this little alley from my little restaurant I usually go get our breakfast from, and took the back way to walk off some of that little egg and toast that I had for breakfast. But it's not a bad day. Like I said, it's been raining off and on, but I'm just walking through here to show you guys just a little part of the little neighborhood over here on the back side of the resort, where there's a lot of little businesses that get neglected and people probably don't know about. So I just want to show you guys just a little bit of what I see. Nothing too fascinating, but it's calm and it's quiet and it's safe. That's the only thing I like about it. You got a lot of little businesses up through here and a lot of mom and pops. One thing I can say about here, they got ATMs everywhere, guys, in the dark, in the alleys, and you don't have to worry about getting robbed. That's the thing about it. You don't have to worry about getting robbed, you know. But I wouldn't be out there being stupid, be trying to be taking a whole lot of money out of the ATM and flossing it and stuff. You just asking for trouble. You still gotta govern yourself at all times. But there's a lot of little places. Hello. Throughout the little alleyways over here, and we've been loving it, guys. It's been very relaxing. Like I said, you can travel pretty much anywhere on this island. The island's not that big, you know, and enjoy yourself at a reasonable price. What I was told, what I was told before, that it should be way cheaper than it is now, which I'm sure. They say a lot of the Chinese and Koreans have came and bought a lot of these businesses, and all those tourists that come here now are actually coming from China and Korea. So they done raised the price up over here, guys, and the people are loving it because it's good for their business. But if you're coming over here trying to, you know, ball on a budget, then your budget gonna be shot a little bit, because it did get a little bit more expensive than it years previously. I'm not sure what it was like, but I was told it went up inflation just like anywhere else, but still very cheap, very reasonable. It's nothing like the price in the city of Manila, and you ain't got all that riffraff. You can just walk around here and enjoy peace. You ain't got to worry about nobody bothering you, no one looking at you crazy sideways, like, you know, like you're out of place. And it's lovely. Like I say, I just come around the corner, get my steps in, and I go back, you know, go to both of the beaches, get my steps in throughout the day. How you doing? Good. And sit and have me an adult beverage or some fresh coconut water or some fresh mango juice or watermelon juice, and enjoy life, man. I mean, stay out of everybody's way. I do me. That's all I try to do, because I don't need that stress and worry. That's why a lot of people nowadays got a lot of problems, high blood pressure and all that, and they die. People don't know that stress will kill you. Stress will shut down your organs. Stress will shut down, that's a strain on your body. your mind, your body, and your soul. So you have to govern that, your peace at all times, and not worry about what everybody else got going on or what they say or do. You just do you, and give all those problems to the Most High and let him work them out for you. Work through him to resolve your issues, because it's definitely a good take when you got somebody that you can go to. Hello.
Hello.
I'm good, and you? Good, good. See, people are nice, they're generous, and he'll make sure that you can't, you know, he ain't put nothing more on you than you can handle. So that's what I love about it. That's why I love the Most High, because he always got my back. Man, I'll tell you guys later on when I do a live about something that I've been noticing about the Most High and governing us and taking care of us. And I'm gonna show you guys here real quick a little bit of when people are coming over here doing photos, hello, and pictures. How they just, this is the only thing about this little area right here. It can get pretty loud because there's a lot of tourists coming over here, and what they do is they get the guy to take the pictures, and the guys be hollering and dancing and have everybody screaming and shouting when they're doing their pictures. But I just want to let you guys see how he conduct their little photo shooting with the people, how they be yelling and screaming and hollering. He trying to get them to react to the camera. So y'all check this out, man. This is exactly what, I guess this is like a trending thing over here, and the people look forward to it when they come over here, because this is like one of the tourist site where everybody come and get their pictures and their videos. And I just want to show you this, guys, real quick before I get out of here and close the video out. It's not going to be a long video, but I do want to show you guys what you can expect if you're interested in coming to this area in Boracay, and watch how they do your photos for you. These guys ask for a little small donation, you know, to get your camera and take the pictures and videos for you. So check them out, check them out. I'm gonna let you guys see a little bit of it. He's gonna start doing little shows and stuff. So just watch it, check it out.
We try. You wanna see the human drone? You wanna see
The what?
the human drone?
He said the human drone. They're gonna do the human drone for you guys. This guy gonna show me a video how they do the human drone, but I'll let you guys see it live right here. Well, you'll see me filming it, so you can understand what he's talking about. Yeah, you guys come over here and check him out. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching as always. Until the next one. Bye now. Peace. One love.
Gagal hindi mga human drone. Tak mo lang, Jess. Apa aja, pre? So, we're calling I will tap it because this is that one of the human drone. Then you can put the song, travel song. Yeah, that one. Okay, then say,
They call that the human drone, guys. So check it out. Appreciate you.